Okay, guys, if y'all haven't seen Hi, it's Pink Fluffy Unicorn. If y'all haven't seen, Pinky Unicorn. If y'all haven't seen Harry Potter Puppet Pals, y'all need to. It's like the best ever. Oh, y'all should see Wizard Swears. I think it's Wizard Swears. Anyways, which one is it? Wizard Swears. Okay, here it is. This is my reaction to it.
No. Okay.
Oh, I love this.
But Shoppy. Do you want to try it? Smell it.
Smell it.
Smell it first. Help.
Wizard Swears.
Guys, Professor Dumbledore posted a list of words that are banned from Hogwarts. I didn't know wizards had swears.
Of course they do, Harry. They're called wizard swears.
Ooh, like cauldron bomb. Really?
Yeah,
That's adorable.
No, they're worse than that. Read some, Harry.
Let's see here. Son of a banshee. That's useful.
Swish and flicker. That's my favorite.
Do my ears detect foul-mouthedness?
Oh, no, Professor Snape.
Voldemort's nipple! Excuse me. I refuse to have this filth spewed in my presence, Mr. Potter. 500,000 points from Gryffindor. Dragon bogies! What? Everybody run! Expecto Patronads! Rabble-rousers. Oh, that was fun.
He just said one of the Wizard Swears.
Hello, Harry, Hermione, Ronald. What's up, guys?
We're saying magical naughty words like jiggery-pokery.
My grandmother forbids me from
Just
using
puppets, so
large
don't
language.
worry.
Well, your grandmother is a blast-ended skank.
He doesn't mean it, Neville. He's just testing out some wizard swears.
Neville,
I mean
back.
every word I ever say. Ever. Because I'm Harry Potter.
I'm telling Professor Dumbledore.
You're such a broomhead.
This is against the rules.
I can't let you do this, Neville.
Oh, no. No. I don't want to swear. My grandmother doesn't want me to swear. No.
Are you a Gryffindor or not, Neville?
I am a Gryffindor, but
Try it then. Here's the list. Say anything.
You can do it, Neville.
Hagrid's butt crack.
Yay!
You sicken me.
But it's on the list.
Hagrid is 10 times the man you'll ever be, Neville. Leave Hogwarts, Neville Longbottom. Never come back.
Yay! You're quite the hellion today, Harry.
Yeah, you're rife with boyish attitude. Hey, let's do a prank call. Voldemort speaking. Leprechaun taint. What? You kids, if I ever find out who's calling me,
I will call the wizard floor and you will go to wizard jail. And I'll kill you. Because I ordered
There they are.
Stop calling.
Professor Snape would like to have a word with you, children.
Oh, unicorn turds.
that is exactly the sort of vulgarity
So my name
that I want to eradicate from the distinguished halls of Hogwarts. The traditions of the school must be upheld and respected. The founders surely would— Local f***ing troll shit, Snape!
Rainbow.
What? You floppy-wanded Dementor buggerer!
It's Frostfire.
Dobby's sock! Dumbledore, I urge you to expel these monsters.
Oh, Snape, let them have their flap-doodle.
But you're the one who banned the words in the first place.
What doodle?
I don't even remember 5 minutes ago. Back to your skulking.
Thank you so much, Dumbledore.
Yes, you're welcome.
Dumbledore, you're obscenely old, right?
Why, yes.
Do you know any super ancient, lost to the ages, archaic, olden times wizard swears?
Well, there is one. I want to hear it. The Elder Swear. You must never repeat it to anyone.
We won't, Professor.
Here it is. Your mother is a In lorem ipsum admitum venium traguna hippopotamus Republican in Daniel Radcliffe with a bucket of
Somebody go.
and a castle far away where no one can hear you. Soup with a bucket
No,
of
none of y'all should
Mickey
say
Mouse.
cuss words.
and a stick of dynamite.
So,
Magical.
that is basically almost the
Alakazam.
end of the video. Is it Swears? I almost said Swears, but it was
Now you
Swears.
know. You must never, ever repeat it, okay?
We promise, sir.
Oh no, Lucy, you just stepped on my unicorn cereal. Okay, so that's it for today. Anyways, bye. I love you guys. Why won't this?